Take the Pabdar fish and marinate with turmeric powder and salt for 10 minutes. In a pan over high heat, add mustard oil and heat the oil till it starts to smoke, and then gently lay the fish into the oil. Be careful, as this is an oily fish and will cause a lot of oil splutters. Cover and fry if required. We will fry the fish for 2 minutes on a side before turning it over. Fry the other side for another 2 minutes and then gently take it off. For the jhal, in the same pan, reduce the oil and add split green chilies and fry on high heat. Next, add sliced tomatoes to this and fry till it starts to release its water. Then add turmeric powder and chili powder and mix well. To this, add mustard paste and cook till the smell of the raw spices goes away. Add water to this and adjust for the amount of gravy you want. Remember, when you add the fish, it will soak some of the gravy. Add salt as per your preference and bring it to a boil. Next, add freshly chopped coriander leaves to this and mix. Now add the fried fish gently into the gravy. Cook the fish in the gravy for a minute so the flavors come to know each other. Finally, switch off the flame and add raw mustard oil to this, and we are done.